as birds along the fence and walk through it. Seeing bars flying big as the wings, like two of them walking.
Try to walk around and keep chilling.
No, the bird's respiratory system is awesome. They're one of the few respiratory systems that can actually produces energy.
Dude, listen
when
to
it
the
inhales
birds.
and exhales. That's why it has enough energy to flap its wings enough to stay afloat. Like,
Do you hear that? What is that? No, everything at the same time. It sounds like a vortex, like football. It's like a whistling. It has like a that. You hear that? No. Because that. Yeah. You hear that? What is that? Pat. Do you hear it? Listen.
All I hear is playing one song.
Yeah. Thank you. Lawrence, how do you not hear this? You're a DJ, dude. Like,
No, I mean, I'm hearing I'm just not sure which one. The trill?
yeah.
Yeah, I can hear that.
Okay.
So I thought you understood when I pointed out, or that was the first one I pointed out.
Dude, yeah. It's crazy right now, the birds. What is that?
There it was.
Yeah. What is making that noise, dude? It's a bird, dude.